Hi, people. Very good afternoon, good morning, greetings of the day. How are you all? So, good afternoon to each and everyone here. Morning, Jennifer. Hi, Sushmita. Hello, Binay. Okay, so today was supposed to be your verbal class, but because of certain change, I only came. All right, and your verbal class will be on Thursday now. Tomorrow, we will be analyzing mock test. Okay. So, any idea what topic are we gonna do today? Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Formula. So, any idea what topic are we gonna start today? No idea. Okay, calendar that we will do next week. All right. So let's start with permutation, combination, and probability. Though it's not a part of your IND SAT exam, it's not been updated on the website, but at least at least get a glimpse of how to solve the questions. Fine. So anyone who had taken here last time has any idea how to go ahead? Sorry, what I meant to ask, were there questions from permutation, combination, and probability? Probability it was there. Permutation, combination it wasn't there. Okay. All right. Fine. We'll see. Okay. So I hope you can see the screen. Yeah. All right. So permutation, combination is a very basic thing, basic chapter. Okay. And probability is extension form of permutation and combination. So if you know permutation combination well, but if you know permutation combination, you can move to probability questions very easily. All right. So let's see what is permutation, what is combination. We'll not waste much time on this because I want to go to the questions directly. So permutation, we call it as arrangement. Wherever you don't understand, let me know. All right. I would be going with jet speed today. How many of you are ready to cope up with that speed, with jet speed? Ashok, okay. How many else? Only one person answered so far. Two, three, four, five. Only five, six, mercy, seven, eight. Okay. All right. So relax. I'll not go with jet speed. Okay, Jennifer. So a permutation is arrangement, combination is selection. Fine. So in your 12th grade, maybe you would have used permutation as NPR and NCR, where C stands for combination, P stands for permutation, P is arrangement, C is selection. Have you done this? Have you done this? Yeah. Okay. All right. So many students have confusion where to use P and where to use C. All right, where to use P and where to use C. So very simple one. Do you remember the formula for NPR by any chance? N factorial by N minus R factorial, right? Hello, good afternoon to the people, those who came just now. And NCR is N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. Yeah, R is there extra in combination. Fine. So if you see NCR into R factorial, if I do, which is nothing but NPR, N factorial by NCR, N minus R. NCR is N factorial upon N minus R into R factorial. and this into r factorial. So when this will get cancelled, it is nothing but NPR, isn't it? Yes, right? So a very simple way to go ahead with this. When we will look at the question, you will understand it crystal clear. Okay. But as of now, just focus on the things what I'm saying. I'll make sure that you will understand it. So NC0 is always 1. NC1 is also equal to 1. NC1 is equal to N, I guess. NCN is equal to 1. NC0 is equal to 1, NCN is equal to 1, NCN is equal to, no, NC1 is equal to N, and NCN minus 1 is also equal to N. What I mean to say, 5C4 is equal to 5, 6C5 is equal to 6, 7C3 is equal to 7. Sorry, 7C6 is equal to 7. Okay. All right. So NC0 is 1, NCN is equal to 1, NC1 is equal to 1, NCN minus 1 is also equal to N. NC2 is equal to N into N minus 1 by 2. Did you understand so far? Hi, Roshni. Good afternoon. All of you got it? So far, it's clear? Yes? Okay. Simple, Roshni. NC0 is 1, NCN is equal to 1, NC1 is equal to N, NCN minus 1 is equal to N, NC2 is equal to N into N minus 1. What about in the case you have 7 on the top of C9? So 7C9 is impossible memory because from 7 toffees, you cannot select 9 toffees. Are you getting the point? From 7 toffees, you cannot select 9 toffees. Are you getting the point? So always and always N has to be greater than R. Got it? Okay. So hi, good morning, Kenan. So this is not possible. From 9 chocolates, you can select 7 chocolates. That's possible. Fine. C stands for select. How many you are selecting? Okay. Now I'm moving to the another one. Sorry. So a very simple thing people to understand. Okay. Now let's say there are 5 people. Chunnu, Ammu, Bunnu, Chunnu, Dunnu, Munnu again Mun and Munnu. All right, fine. So Ammu, Bunnu, Chunnu, Dunnu, Munnu. 5 people are there. Hi Anupa, Letitia. I don't know what's the concern. Can on YouTube people confirm me that it's clearly visible or not? Okay, now list 5 people. Out of 5, we need to select 3. So we'll try what? 5C3. Out of 5, if we need to select 2, thank you, Ira. So this will be what? 5C2. Out of 5, if we need to select 4, so this will be 5C4. Did you understand so far? Out of these 5 people, if we have to select 3 people, it is 5C3. Out of 5 people, if we have to select 2 people, it is 5C2. Out of 5, if we have to select 4, then it is 5C4. Now I'm taking this case, 5C2. Now let's say that there is a chair 1 and chair 2, 2 chairs. Now I want you to imagine you are going into a room where there are 2 chairs. All right. Okay. I want everyone to imagine this. You entered into one room. You entered into one room where there are 2 chairs. Chair 1 is on your left and chair 2 is on your right. Done with this imagination? Done with this imagination? You are there in a room and 2 chairs are there. All right. Now, out of 5, you selected 2 people, Chunnu and my Munnu. favorite, my favorites. All right, Chunnu and Munnu. So Chunnu and Munnu. Who is sitting on your left right now? Who is sitting on your left? Who is sitting on your left? Chunnu, right? So obviously Munnu is sitting on your right. But now don't you think it's not either of one, Binay? 1 minute. What I'm telling you, Chunnu is sitting on your left as of now. Okay? Agree, Chunnu. Now, might be possible Munnu can also sit on your left. Like this is also one of the possible combination. That when you come next time, Munnu is on your left and Chunnu is on your right. Got it? Yes. So what is happening? These two people, Chunnu, Munnu, how many people are there? They are two people. So these two people can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. So 2 factorial will be your answer. 5c2 into 2 factorial. I repeat. So first of all, we need to select how many people are there. So there are like 2 people we have selected. Now these 2 people can be arranged themselves in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Now let's say 3 people you have selected. Annu, Ammu, Bunnu, Chunnu, A, B, C. All right. You have selected 3 people. So now you have selected 3 people and 3 chairs are there. Chair 1, chair 2, chair 3. So these 3 people can be arranged in how many ways? These 3 people can be arranged in how many ways? Come on. 3 factorial, right? So this is ABC, ACB, not JCB, BCA, BAC, CAB, and CBA. Did you understand so far, people? Like 3 people can be arranged themselves in 3 factorial ways. All right. So if the question is only about like we have to select 3 people, so 5C3 would be your answer. If they are saying that in how many ways can we arrange them on a particular table or on particular chair or on 3 chairs, then your answer will be what? 5C3 into 3 factorial. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Can everybody reply to me quickly? Mercy, and then who is there? Angui. Arpit, you are new. Hi, Arpit. Hi, Pelister, you are also new. Hi, Hilda, you are also new. So people, those who are there from long time, please reply quickly. Wonder, Sonali, Srijita. Come on. Quickly. Done. Okay. All right. Thank you for all who participated and replied. Okay. Now next one. Few questions quickly. Do I have? Yeah, I do have. I want some more and so now it is like what it is. Yeah. So there are 15 people. 15 people. Factors of communication. Roshni, I didn't understand. 15 people, team of 11. What would be your answer? Factors of combination. I'll tell you. I'm unable to understand your question right now. But yeah, we'll see. 15 people, team of 11. So now the question should be 15 people, we need to select 11. If we are selecting, then it is what? 15C11. All right. Don't get into answer. It's just like go with this. Let your answer be in terms of C and NCR and NPR. So now 15C11. Topic name is permutation and combination and probability. Probability will start little later. Selection is 15C11. Now let's say this 11 people have to go for batting order. In how many ways the batting order can be decided? In how many ways the batting order can be decided? Then you should do what? Multiply by 11 factorial. This 11 people can be arranged in 11 factorial ways. So this will be your answer, batting order arrangement. All of you got it? Into 11 factorial later on. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Next one. So next one is which one? So this is done. 100 people, we need to select 17 people. What should be your answer? 100 people, we need to select 17 people. What should be your answer? 100C 17, right? Okay. Now, I'm raising the level. Fine. 5 people, number of handshakes. Total number of handshakes. 5 people, total number of handshakes. What should be your answer this time? 5P2. All right. Now let's say, see people, 1 minute, understand. A very simple way. 5 people again. Anu, Bannu, Chunnu, Dunnu, Munnu. All right. Are 5 people. Very good vlogs. So A, B, C, D. If we have to like A shaking hand with B, B shaking hand with A, it is one event or two different event? A shaking hand with B, B shaking hand with A. It's one event or two different event. Like I'm shaking hand with you, you shaking hand with me. So we will be shaking hand at the same time or two different times. First I'll shake hand and then you will shake hand. Again, those who are saying two, tell me one thing. Would this event happening at two different times? It's one event, right? So when I shake hand with you, until and unless you don't shake hand with me, I cannot consider it as handshake. Got the point, right? So A shaking hand with B, B shaking hand with A, it's one event. A shaking hand with C, C shaking hand with A, again one event. A shaking hand with D, D shaking hand with A shaking hand with M shaking hand with A. So BC, BD, and BM. Then you have CD and CM, and you have DM. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of handshakes you got how many? You got 10 handshakes. All right. Now, how you are getting this 10? To get one handshake, how many hands do we need? To get one handshake, how many hands do we need? 2, right? If 5 people are there, we'll consider how many hands from their side. If 5 people are there, how many hands we will consider? No, 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 no. They do have 10 hands, but do people shake hands with both hands? No. So one person gives only one hand to shake hand. So it's like 5C2. 5 people, 5 hands, 5 from each member. Ayyo, Binay. Binay, if you say 5 from each member, it means that one person will have 5 hands. Yeah, which is not possible so far. So 5C2. 5C2 will give you total number of hands. Total number of handshakes. Did you understand? All of you got it? So if 10 people are there, what will be the total number of handshakes? If 10 people are there, what will be the total number of handshakes? If they have to shake hands amongst each other, so what will be the total number of handshakes? No, 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 no. 10C2 is not 20. Come on, man. People relax. 10C2 is 10 into 9 by 2. 45 would be your answer. But I don't want you to get into all this. I want you to get the concept clear. Okay. So 10C2 would be your answer. Now don't get emotional and type 20C2. Fine. I hope it's clear to everyone. Yes. One last one. 20 people, total number of handshakes. 20 people, total number of handshakes. 20C2, that's it. I hope that's clear to everyone now. Fine. Yes. Done. Right, Anindya. Got it? So we'll move on to the next one now. So there is one more I would like to go ahead with. I will add some more slides to it, but let's complete combinations part. You in square, how many diagonals are there? In square, how many diagonals are there? I'm raising a level, people, but I want you to understand. It's okay. In square, how many diagonals? How many diagonals? Come on, two. One and two. In pentagon, how many diagonals? In pentagon, how many diagonals? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. How many diagonals in pentagon? Five diagonals. Fair enough. Now in hexagon, you tell me how many diagonals are there. In hexagon, regular hexagon, how many diagonals are there? Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Six. All right, let's see. First of all, to draw a line, how many points do I need? To draw a line, how many points do I need? To draw one line, how many points do I need? Two, right? Yes, Surjo, you are right. At least 2 points. So, like, if we have to draw a line, we need 2 points. Aditya, we need 2 points, not minimum. We need 2 points only. So, if you are getting 1, 2, 3, that's called as collinear line. So, we will talk about that later. So, how many total number of lines I can make from this one? Like, there are how many points? 6 points are there. So, I need 2 points to get one line. I repeat, I need 2 points to get one line. And how many points I have? I have 6 points. So 6 into 5 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2. How many lines you should get? You should get 15 lines. All right. So now let's count 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You got 15 lines. Did you understand? Now, out of these 15 lines, these 6 are what? These 6 are what? I'll explain 1 minute, Sushmita. These 6 are what? These 6 are sides. So these are sides. So 6C2 minus 6. These 6 are sides. So from the total number of lines, we subtract sides. We will get what? Diagonals. How many of you want me to repeat the story which is not clear? Repeat. Okay. So in hexagon, how many points are there? In hexagon, how many vertices are there? Not point. How many vertices are there in hexagon? What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So I have 6 points. And to make one line, I need 2 points. So I will be selecting 2 points from any 6 points. I'll get a line. So my total number of lines, NC2 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. NC2 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, right? So 6 into 5 by 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 into 5, your answer is 15. Did you understand so far? Did you understand the story so far? Whoever asked me to repeat. Is that clear? Yeah. Now, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sushmita, I'm using formula n into n minus 1 by 2. How many? 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which one I missed? 15. All right. So out of this 15, we need to subtract 6. So 15 minus 6 will give you 9. That is total number of diagonals. All of you got it? Is that clear? Yes. So now tell me number of diagonals in octagon. Number of diagonals in octagon. What would be your answer? 20. Yes. Cool. 28. 28 minus 8 you need to do. You will get 8C2 minus 8 you need to do because there will be 8 sides in octagon. All right. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes or no? 20 is the answer. Yes, Jacqueline, 20 is the answer. Fine. So now we'll move to another part. Okay. So now this is all about combination. If we'll find some question, we will do it. Otherwise, questions, combination questions can be done on this way. Okay, there is one more, I'll do it, or let's finish it off. If there are 5 men and 3 women, we need to select, okay. Hi, afternoon, Saroj, you are late. Saroj only. 5 men and 3 women, 5 people to be selected. First case, at least, first case, no condition. People, I'm not gonna repeat, sorry, I'm not gonna take any other question of such type because we will go through some other questions as of now rather than coming on this. So just focus on this one, no condition, at least 2 women. And the third one is at least 2 women, and third one is at least 2 men, and one more I'll add, at most 2 men. Okay, fine. So what would be your answer? 8C5 for the first one, yes. For the first one, no condition. It's like from 5 and 3, 8 people are there. From 8 people, we need to select 5 people. All right. From 8, we need to select 5. So yes, your answer will be 8C5. I hope that's clear to everyone. 8C5. Yes. Done. No condition is like they haven't specified how many men and how many men. All right. So 5 people to be selected. Is that clear? Yes. All right. Now at least 2 women, men and women, and we need to select total how many people? 5 people. If they're saying at least 2 women, what do you mean by at least? What do you mean by at least? Minimum. So it could be minimum 2 women, maximum it could be 3 women. Can it be 4 women? Can it be 4 women? No, right? Because total number of women are 3. So it cannot be 4 women, right? So it's either 2 women or 3 women. When 2 women are there, how many men should be there? When 2 women are there, how many men should be there? 3, such that this will become 5. I hope people you are understanding. Okay. If 3 are there, then how many men should be there? 2. So that this will become 5. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna go at very important point here. How many men are there? 5 men. How many women are there? 3 women. All right. So first condition, these are cases. Case 1, case 2. All right. So case 1 is what? This is entire case 1. So case 1 is 5C3. From 5 men, you are selecting 3 men into what? 3C2. Got it? As of now, it will be into. As of now, it will be into. So, see, total you have to select how many people? Total you have to select how many people? Total you have to select how many people? 5 people, right? So when you see 5C3, so it means that you have selected only 3 men out of 5 men. But now you need to select women also. So that's why it will be multiply 3C2. We need to multiply till the time our event is not getting over. Now our event got over, like we have selected 5 people. When event get over or the case 1 got over, now we will add. Add is for or, this is for and. Multiply is for and, this is for or. All right. So or, what should I write? 5C2 into 3C3. Did you understand now? Got it? 5C2 into 3C3.
Yes, we got it.
Okay. All right. So let's move for the next one. So what's the next one now? Next one, not get it, not got it. What is not clear, Durgesh? See, Durgesh, they are saying that it has to be at least 2 women. At least 2 women means 2 women or 3 women. Two different cases. One group can have only 2 women, or might be possible you can choose another group also where there are 3 women. Fair enough, Durgesh? So that's why it is 2 or 3. So like 2 cases you are making there. So one case when there are only 2 women, 3 men could be there. So how many men? 3 you need. From how many? From 5. So 5C3. Now you have just selected 3 people. You need to still select 2 more people. That's why multiply 3C2. Now this you got one group. Or what modification you can do in this group? One more thing, one more way you can choose it. Like there could be 3 women and 2 men. So 5C2 into 3C3. These 3 women are getting selected from these 3 women. Okay. I hope that's clear now. Yes, Durgesh. All right. Not clear. Then look at the next one. You are not telling me what is not getting clear. How can I help you then? At least 2 men. All right. Next one. Let's look at it. At least 2 men. So at least 2 men will be what? So we have men and women, and we need a group of 5. So if it is at least 2 women, can it be 3 men? Yes. Can it be 4 men? Yes. Can it be 5 men? Yes. Can it be 6 men? Can it be 6 men? No, right? So 5 is the maximum. And we need how many people to select overall? 5, right? So if it is 5, number of women should be 0. If it is 4, number of women should be 1. If it is 3, then number of women should be 2. If this is 2, then number of women should be 3. Am I making sense? That's correct, Sivani. Yeah, and many people have answered it already. That's correct. Now again, you have 5 and this is 3. So this is case 1, this is case 2, this is case 3, this is case 4. So 4 cases. So this will be 5C2 into 3C3 plus 5C3 into 3C2 plus 5C4 into 3C1 plus 5C5 into 3C0. 5C2 into 3C3, first case. 5C3 into 3C2, second case. 5C4 into 3C1 and 5C5 into 3C0, fourth case. All right, you can solve it, don't solve it. Yeah, I don't think so. This type of questions will come to you, but yeah, it's just for your understanding. Next one. Okay. So the next one, at most 2 men. Durgesh, it's very simple. Okay, wait, I'll unmute you. Give me a minute. At most 2 men. At most 2 men means what? No, you people are telling me wrong answer. At most 2 men means what? Maximum 2. So minimum could be what? Minimum could be 0. So if there is 0 men, then number of 5 people. Yes, yes, you people are right. If 1 man, then we cannot take 4 women because we don't have 4 women. If we take 0, then again we have to take 5 women, which is again not possible. So if 2 men are there, only 3 women are there. So only one case. Yes, because at the end we need to select 5 people. So yeah, your answer is 5C2 into 3C3. 5C2 into 3C3 is the answer for the next one. Absolutely right. I'm sorry. Okay. Got it, right? Yeah, fine. Durgesh, remind me at the end and I'll unmute you. See, cases are simple, Durgesh. Like you have 2 female friends and 3 male friends. So 5 men are there and 3 women are there. You need to select a group of 5 where the condition is mentioned. At least 2 women should be there. So it could be 2 women or 3 women. So when 2 women are there, you have already selected women 1 and 2. So now remaining 3 has to be what? Men. Or you can select 3 women. So the remaining 2 has to be what? Men. That's how I'm making cases. Okay, let's move ahead. I'll unmute you at the end, Durgesh. Fine. So this is done. Right. One more thing. From 30 points, total number of triangle. What would be your answer? Hello, Lucy. 30C3, correct. It is 30C3. To get one triangle, we need 3 points. All right. To get one triangle, we need 3 points. Yes, so the answer is 30C3. Absolutely right. Okay. Okay. I'll just add one more thing. I don't know why I'm adding it, but I'm just scared in case if this question comes, then what would be your answer? From 20 collinear points, 20 non-collinear points, and 10 collinear points. And 10 collinear points, total number of triangles. C3, no. No. 10C3. Okay. So non-collinear points are those points which are, okay, collinear points which are which lie on the same line. All right. Collinear points are the line points which lie on the same line. All right. Is that clear? So now there is a way. So if you draw, now let me take one simple one. 3 collinear points and 5 non-collinear points. NCP stands for non-collinear points, right, Shivani? No, Shivani, some gadbad. So 3 collinear points, CP stands for collinear points and NCP stands for non-collinear points. Okay. So now if the question would have been in this way, which way? 5 non-collinear points. All right. And 3 collinear points. 1, 2, 3. So what would be the total number of triangles? Total number of triangles. See, I can take one collinear point. I need total 3 points. I need total 3 points. So I can take one collinear point and 2 non-collinear points and I'll get a triangle. Yes or no? Ira, I didn't see your answer. Do you agree with that? Or it could be two, or it could be 2 collinear points, 2 collinear point and 1 non-collinear point, and you will get a triangle. 2 collinear point and 1 non-collinear point. Robert, tell me what you did not understand. Yes or no, people? So I can take one collinear point, 2 non-collinear point, or I can take 1 non-collinear point and 2 collinear point, right? So I'll get 3 points. Can I take all collinear point? Will I get a triangle? Will I get a triangle if I take all collinear points? Will I get a triangle? No, right? Okay, Robert, if the points are in straight line, it is collinear. Okay, you cannot form a triangle with the collinear points. But if 2 points are there which are collinear and there are some points which are non-collinear, which doesn't fit into this line. So if you take 1 point from here and 2 point from here, will you get a triangle? 2 points from collinear and 1 point from non-collinear, you will get a triangle. All right. If you take one point from collinear and 2 from non-collinear, you will get a triangle. All right. But if you take all 3 points from non-collinear, you will still get a triangle. See, where you have to take 0 point. 1 minute, Dipesh. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you the easier way. So I'll tell you the easier way now, what it can be. Total, how many points are there? Forget about this. Forget about this. Total, how many points are there? 30 points, right? So if you need to form a triangle, if you have to form a triangle, how many points do you need? To form a triangle, how many points do you need? 30C3. All right. 30C3. Now people understand again. How many collinear points are there? People leave this question. Those who are not understanding, it's okay. This is little high level question. Okay, because I don't know what you people are unable to understand, and because many people are saying, fine, a simple thing. Sushmita, try to understand. Simple one. To get one triangle, you need 3 points. Is that okay? Is that okay? To get one triangle, you need 3 points. Yes or no? Quickly, people type in quickly. To get one triangle, you need 3 points, right? How many points are there in total? 30 points. So 30C3. 30C3 will give you total number of triangles. Agree? But now think about it. If you have chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have chosen, understand. If you have chosen 3 points from these 10 points, will you get a triangle? If you have chosen 3 points out of these 10 points, will you get a triangle? No. So I just have to subtract it. All right, that will be my answer. That will give me total number of triangles. Did you understand now? A very simple one. If it is given 10 collinear points, okay, 10 collinear points. Let me make it as 5 collinear points. 5 collinear points and 15 non-collinear points. Total number of triangles, what would be your answer? 15 plus 5, total points are 20. 20C3 minus what? 5C3. If it is given, what is given? I'm not getting the points. 7 collinear points and 20 non-collinear points. How many points overall? How many points overall? 7 collinear points and 20 non-collinear points. 27C3 minus what? To get total number of triangles, minus what? 7C3. That's it. Okay. I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, go through the video. Robert, because in this question there were 5 collinear points. That's why I subtracted 5C3. In this question there were 7 collinear points. That's why I subtracted 7C3. In this question there were 10 collinear points. That's why I subtracted 10C3, because from collinear points are those points which falls on straight line. If any points, or if 2 points, or if 3 points are on straight line, can you get a triangle? Of course not. That's why we are subtracting that cases. Okay. All right, people, I'm moving on. Please try to understand. If it is not clear, go back to the video, go through this section. Okay. All right, let's move to the next one. Fine. Now, another part. If there is a 1-letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? Answer it in terms of factorial. Okay, answer it in terms of factorial. If there is 1-letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 1 factorial. If there is a answer in terms of factorial, if there is 2-letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial. If there is 3-letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. I hope you know TO can be written as TO and OT. So that's why 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, starting from 2, ending up to 1. 3 factorial, TWO, TOW, WOT, WTO, OTW, OWT. I hope you know all this. So 3 factorial, start from 3, end it to 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6, but let's not focus on this. Let's focus only on factorial part as of now. So yes, answer is 3 factorial. If there is 4-letter word, FOUR, answer will be what? 4 factorial. If there is a word 5, answer will be what? People got emotional. It is 4-letter word only, though the name says 5, but it is still FIVE, 4 only. So your answer will be 4 factorial. That was a trick to get wrong answer from you. I hope you understood. Answer will be 4 factorial only. All right. Okay. So yeah, answer is 4 factorial. Okay. Now there is a word sonal. SONA. Durgesh. FIVE. How many letter word it is? So 4 factorial. All right, Durgesh. Okay. Sonal. Sonal. How sonal? Sushmita, count properly. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 factorial. Okay, my name, please. Got it, people? Fine. Now, SONALI, Sonali. We have Sonali Gupta, I guess, in our room. So what would be your answer this time? Ayyo Ramaswamy, 6 factorial. Okay, all right. All of you are getting it. Fine. So let me raise the level now. Let me raise. Sonali, when your name came, you replied. Huh? So far, you were not replying. Awesome. Sushmita, I'm not taking Sushmita. Okay, I'll take your name after a while. ALL. How many ways can you arrange it? ALL. In how many ways can you arrange it? 3 factorial. Okay. So 1 minute before that. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to explain you one more thing here. In words sonal, vowels together. This is the condition given. Vowels together. What would be your answer? In the word sonal, vowels together. Now think, people, again understand. Vowels together means SNL. How many vowels are there? 2 vowels, O and A. So I'll consider this vowel as 1 unit. All right, I consider this vowel as 1 unit. So now it became how many letter word? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-letter word can be arranged in 4 factorial. Write the page. Now these 2 vowel O and A. So if you're writing SNLZ, so this Z could be SNLOA or it could be SNLAO. Are you getting the point? So these 2-letter word are getting arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. So your answer will be 4 factorial into 2 factorial. All right. Yo. Whoever said this is correct. Why 4 factorial? Anindya. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-letter word it became now. OA, I'm considering it as 1 letter. Vowels, I'm considering it as 1 letter. Understanding? Tasnia, memory, Jennifer, no reply from you people long time. I hope everything all right. You people are not in shock. Yes, Tasnia. Okay. All right. Now, a word Sonali. I know Sonali is gonna answer this question. Sonali, vowels together. What would be your answer this time? 420 volt. Okay. My right. Who is on my right? Nobody is on my right. Jackie. 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Yes. So it is like SNL. SNL. Vowels. O. I hope people you know vowels, right? A, I, O, U are vowels. OAI. It's a 3-letter, 3 vowels. 3 vowels will be considered as 1 letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letter can be 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Yes, 4 factorial into 3 factorial will be your answer. See, Sonali, I knew that you are going to answer for this question because your name is there. No, you are getting emotional about your name. Fine. So let's come back to, oh, I need to add one more slide. I'm sorry, but yeah, I have to, and I will. Okay, done, 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 done. Fine. Another one. Another one. ALL. ALL is how many letter word? ALL is how many letter word? 3-letter word, right? So as the L is repeating here, L is repeating. All right. So when L is repeating, so what we do whenever the letters repeat, we divide it by 2 factorial. All right. So your answer will be 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Divide. All of you know why we divide by 2 factorial? Or do you want me to explain quickly? Or you know why? You know? All right. So generally, let's number it as 1 and 2. I have numbered it as 1 and 2, but you know that 1 and 2, for me, L1 and L2, but you don't know any numbering. So you are taking it as ALL only, but I am taking it as AL1, L2. So when I'm writing AL2, L1, it's same for you, isn't it? So when we write AL1, L2, and when we write AL2, L1, you don't know the numbering. So it's same for you. So what does it mean? That even when 2 letters are arranging themselves, like 1, 2 is getting arranged as 2, 1, 2 ways, but it is not creating a new word. Like in the previous one, SNLOA and SNLAO, it was creating a new word, 2 different cases, 2 different words. That's why we multiplied by 2 factorial. But here, as it is not creating a new word, that's why we divide it by 2 factorial. That it's a repetition. Got it? Okay, so what would be the answer for Sushmita? Sushamita, Sushmita. Okay, what will be the answer for this? She was asking me, please take my name. She messaged me, please take my name. So I took her name. Yeah, Sushmita. 8 factorial by 2 factorial because S is repeating. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial divide by S is repeating. That's why 2 factorial, right? Anupa, Sivani, Jackie, Emmanuel, I hope you are also getting it. Okay, Angry, good to see your reply. First replied. I hope you are understanding all other questions. Fine, people. So, yeah, I hope this is clear. All right, fine. Let me move to the questions now. What would be the answer? Let your answer be in terms of NCR and NPR. Oh, babare. Oh, babare. Sheikh Elma, you want me to take your name? We'll take your name later. Can't we take I as... Just now we took one, no letter repeated. My name, Sonal, no letter is repeating, see? So 5 factorial was the answer. That's it. Yeah, so come on, people. I don't want answer. I want in terms of NCR, NPR, or factorial way. So, in how many ways can the letters of the word dealer be arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial divide by 2 factorial. 6 factorial 720. 720 by 2. Your answer is 360. Yo, I'm moving on, people. Please, like I said, we will go with jet speed, but I did not show you any jet speed so far. But now, as the questions are clear to you, so we are gonna go with jet speed. The concepts are clear to you, so we are gonna go with jet speed. Come on, ready for jet speed? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Sushmita, you can do it. I don't want you to solve this question. I want simple in terms of factorial way. Oh, this question is vowels always together. Okay, fine, you know that, right? Now, 11 factorial by 9 factorial. Okay, so mathematics one, no, answer will be little different. Why? Mathematics, right? Right, Raj. MATHE, MATIC, So, Kayesh logs 2 factorial 1. E is not repeating, T is repeating, and which other letter is repeating? Is there any other letter which is repeating? M is repeating. So if no condition is given, then your answer would be 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, when no condition would have been given there. Okay. In that case, your answer would have been 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. But now, yeah, A, T, and M are repeating. A, T, and M are repeating. Any other letter which is repeating? M, A, T. That's it, right? Okay, 1 minute. Option is not there, Sushmita. Now they're saying vowels together. So vowels, T, H. I'll write vowels separately. MATHEMATICS. So this vowel will be considered as one letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letter can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. Is there any repetition in this case? Yes, 2 factorial into 2 factorial. All right. Now, this 4 letter word can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Is there any repetition here? Is there any repetition here? A is repeating, so 2 factorial. So 8 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial would be your answer. This is your answer. Now, why I directly reach to this answer? Because how many 5s are there in 8 factorial? How many 5s are there? We don't take 6 factorial, Jacqueline. We just directly take, we don't take directly 6. How many 5 are there in 8? 1, 8, 7, 8 factorial. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many 5s you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? People reply, people. 1. So when this 5 will combine with 2, you will get how many 0 at the end? When this 5 will combine with 2, you will get how many 0 at the end? 1 0. So your answer should end with 1 0 because there is only one 5. If there are two 5s, let's say 5 into 5 into 6, 3 into 4 into 4 into some 1. How many zeros will be there at the end of this multiplication? Can anyone tell me? How many zeros will be there at the multiplication of this one? 2 zeros. This 5 will combine with this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Right, Vivek? So 5 into 2, 1 0, 5 into 2, another 0. So it depends on the number of 5. How many 5s are there? It also depends on the number of 2s. It's okay. Sushmita, simple thing. You have separated the vowels, right? When you have separated the vowels, these vowels will be considered as one unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial divide by. Is any letter repeating? Yes. M and T are repeating. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now these four vowels can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So 4 factorial by any 2 which is repeating. That's great. Somebody is showing me with the arrow. Wow. Who is that? Please type in. Answer is yes. Answer is that. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Okay. Use calculator and get the answer. All right. Fine. This can be done. Quickly tell me in terms of NCR and NPR now. Sorry, in the terms of factorial, no NCR and NPR. Only in terms of factorial. Don't solve this question. Just tell me the answer. That's why I was telling you, Jana, to use some of the common sense things like nearby things. That's why I said only 1 0 will be, it will be ending with only 1 0. Six factorial into 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, is it? So that vowels always comes together. So A, O, T, P, O, T, A, R, I, O, N. So how many vowels are there? 6 vowels. So we will consider it as one letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial. Is there any repetition? Yes. 2 factorial into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial by. Is there any repetition? Yes. 3 factorial into 2 factorial. All right. Fine. Okay. This is one more way I can tell you how to calculate it. 6 factorial, 5 factorial, Jebat, nice Robert. TPTRN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Raj, we will consider this as one unit, right? All vowels will be considered as one letter. So that's why ZZ will be 1. So 6 factorial you will get. Okay. Emmanuel, I read your name as Emmanuel Oxygen. I'm sorry, because in India there is like a lot of oxygen news here and there. So one more way you can do this question is, look at this. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So this 2 factorial will get cancelled out. Yes, memory, that's correct. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial and 3 factorial is 6. So this will get cancelled out. This will get cancelled out. So you are getting 2 5s. So 2 zeros should be there at the end. So this option will get eliminated. Unfortunately, only one is getting eliminated. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. And this is 60. This is also 60. So 60 into 60 into 6. 6 cube 216 and hence 00. So the answer is 21600. Fine, people, again, let's not get involved into this, but every time I get involved, fine, go for this one. What's the answer? Roshni, answer is 21600. You might have not divided some by thing by 2. If you will divide by 2, you will get 21600. Four 43200 is wrong answer. You just go ahead with 1 minute, people. I'll go back to the previous one. Just to solve this part, Roshni. Is this part clear? Can you reply yes or no, Roshni? Is this part clear? 6 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Is this clear? What is not clear, Roshni, in this? I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, yes, clear. All right, then I'm not repeating. Fine, just solve this part. You will get the answer. Fine, this one. In how many ways can 4 different paintings P1, P2, P3, P4 be arranged such that P1 and P4 are always together? So it is nothing but they have considered it as one unit. So like this is E 1, 2, 3, 3 factorial. And yes, these two can be arranged in 2 factorial. Yes, your answer is 12. Got it. Yes, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Absolutely right answer. Okay, clear to everyone? Done, done, not done, done. Leave this question. Okay, you can solve this. I want you to leave this question for a while. This one, this one. Okay, what would be the answer for this question? Seven C3 into 4C2. We have already done 7 men, group of 3 men and 2 women. 7C3 into 4C2 is the answer. Yes. 7C3 into 4C2. Fine. Let's move ahead. This also can be answered quickly. Can you answer this question quickly? Okay, answer this one. Similar one is the previous one, memory. What would be the answer for this one, memory? Why C3, Surjo? 8 men are there. We need to form a committee of 4 men. So 8C4. 5. I don't know, Sushmita, from where you are getting that 4. All right, 5 women are there. We need to select 2 women. So 5C2. That's it. That's it. Okay, that's correct, Jui. Is that clear now, memory? From 8 men, we need to select 4 men. So 8C4. From 5 women, we need to select 2 women. So 5C2. And it has to be one community. That's why multiply. Committee, that's why multiply. Yeah, I will multiply these two. Because there is only one such case. So that's why I'll multiply. Okay. 8C4 and then multiply by 5C2. 5C2 is 10. 8C4 will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 432 is 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial will get cancelled out. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. People, I'm assuming that you know all this stuff. 4, 1, 4, 2. 7 into 2, 14. Into 570 into 10, 700 is the answer. Okay, fine. This question is similar. Okay, memory? Similar. We have already done this. Yes, Anindya, it's not there. We have already done this similar one. I want to skip it for a while, such that at least one boy should be there. This also we have done. Do you want to solve these two questions quickly? This one and the previous one, yes or no? No? Okay. People don't take it so seriously. This topic is like not a part of IND SAT exam, right? But we are just doing it so that you are at least getting a concept of permutation and combination. That's the main idea. Okay. Heyama Palai. Which question, Heyama? Have you joined class late, Heyama? Because I have solved similar question in the beginning. 11th one. Fine, people, let's solve this question. Let's solve quickly. Sorry, let's solve this question quickly. Six boys, four girls, four children need to be selected. In how many different ways such that at least one boy should be there? At least one boy means what? It could be one boy, two boy, three boy, four boy. Can it be five boys? No, because the total number of children we need to select four. So if it is four, then this is one girl. If it is three, then it is, sorry, this is zero girl. Then this is one girl. Then this is two girl. Then this is three girls. So whoever it's not clear, this is one question I'm explaining. So here, this is case one, case two, case three, case four. Yeah, I have taken this on behalf of few people. So yeah, so this one will be 6C1 into 4C3, case 1 over, plus 6C2 into 4C2, case 2 over, plus 6C3 into 4C1, case 3 over, plus 6C4 into 4C0. Now solve it and you will get the answer. Okay, I hope, Heyama, it's clear. All right. Fine, people, I'm moving on. How about this?
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver needs description device.
Got the answer? People, I hope I'm audible. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. So a bag contained two identical. Identical means two same. Two green balls, three red balls, and four blue balls. In how many ways can three balls be drawn from the bag if at least one red ball to be included? How many balls you are withdrawing? Three balls, right? Condition is given what? One red ball has to be there. Other two ball could be of any color. It could be green, it could be blue, right? Uh, 3C1, yes. 6C2, Aditya. 6C2. So here you need one red ball. How many red balls are there? 4 red balls. And how many green and blue? Sorry, this is 3. How many red balls are there? 3 red balls. And how many green and blue balls are there? 2 and 4, 6. Did you understand story so far, people? Did you understand? Yes or no? No, Binay, something who sent that method. No, Binay, not that one. You can do directly. You need 2 balls. For sure, you need. They are not saying that at least one. Okay, I think, yeah, you are right. At least one red ball is to be included in the draw. Correct. Right. So, green, blue. It could be red or it could be any other green, blue balls. Right. So, it could be one red ball or other 2 balls from green, red, some green, blue. Kayesh vlog, you are introducing probability question in this one, you know. There could be 2 red ball also and 1 green ball, green or blue ball, or it could be all 3 red balls because they have used if at least 1 red ball is to be included. So yeah, at least means this all condition will come. Yes, so the answer will be yes. Is this probability question where it is written? What is the probability? They haven't written this question. This question can be formed as probability question. That's a different story. Yes. All right. So this is 1, this is 2. How many red balls? 3 red balls. And how many green or blue balls? 6. So yeah, same. 3C1 into 6C2 plus 3C2 into 6C1 plus 3C3 into 6C0. That's the answer. All right. Yeah, Sushmita. That's what I read it on. It's not a part of IND SAT exam, but still we are doing in case any question comes, you would be able to solve. People, this we have already discussed. In a plane, there are 20. Can you tell me the answer of this? Let me see how many of you remember this question. We have already solved this. Just let me know your answer in terms of NCR and PR. No Raj, no Raj, no Aditya. In a plane, there are 20 points, of which 7 are collinear. It means that 13 are non-collinear. That's correct. Sorry, Raj, that's correct. Raj and Aditya, that's correct. Yes. Correct, correct. So yeah, 20 points, total are 20 points. So 20C3 minus 7C3. That's what you have answered, right? Raj and Aditya, you were the first people to answer. And yes, that's correct. Vivek, Vinay, Sagar, we will not take 27 because there are only 20 points. 20C3 minus 7C3. Absolutely right, people. Yeah, I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Leave this question. Fine. I want to go ahead with the number problems quickly. In how many ways can 10 boys be arranged in a straight line such that 2 particular boys are never together? Will you answer this question? Can you try this question? Try. Yes, Sushmita. How come, Sushmita? Was it a guess? Yes, Aditya. Like so far you were telling me I'm not getting it, I'm not getting it, and suddenly you got the answer. No, no, Aditya, not from you. I know that your answer is correct. It's Sushmita answered. No, Sushmita is like from long time I'm finding it difficult. I'm not understanding. Blah 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 blah. So because of that, I'm saying yes. People answer is this 10 factorial minus 9 factorial into 2 factorial. Why? Because two particular boys, consider them as one unit. B1, B2, B3, B4. How many boys are there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So consider two boys as one unit. No, Jackie, logs, the answer will be different. Consider them as one unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the question is that they are never together. So from total, subtract the condition when they are together. All right. So that's the answer. Oh my God, memory, 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 memory. Okay, so this is the answer. From total, subtract the one when they are together. People, again, so many times you, 1 minute. So yeah, people don't ever use negative words. All right, memory, this was for you. Fine, people, so we are good with this. Now we'll move to another concept. And then I don't think so. Probability we would be able to start today, but let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit, 4-digit number to be formed. 4-digit number. 4-digit number. First case, repetition allowed. And the second case, repetition not allowed. Suraj Gupta, I read your question. It's not been mentioned that it's a part of your syllabus or not, but still we are doing because even simple interest, compound interest is also not a part of your syllabus, but they do have asked a question on that. So based on those reasons, we are doing this. Repetition allowed. Second one, repetition not allowed. What would be your answer? I don't want answer again in terms of number. Let your answer be in terms of factorial or multiply. Don't use factorial also actually. Now again, I want everyone to tell yourself that whatever she's gonna explain, I'm gonna understand it. Okay. I will try my best, but keep your channels also open. Fine. How many digit number? How many digit number? How many digit number we need to form? 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the digits given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to select this number, how many options I have? I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this 6 number, I can take any number. So for this place, it will be 6C1. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Yes? Okay. Now, as repetition is allowed, repetition is allowed. So whatever number I have chosen here, I can choose the same number here also. So here also I have 6 option. Here also I have 6 option. 6C1 is nothing but 6. So I will be writing it as 6 only. Here we have 6 option. 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 All right. So your answer will be 6 into 6 into 6. 6 power 4 will be your answer. Is that clear? Repetition not allowed. Yes, that's correct. Whoever answered, that's correct. Now, for this place, how many options I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 options. Now, let's say you have selected 3. So now for this place, you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, because 3 already you have selected, right, Sivani? So as you have already selected 3, so now you have 5 options. Let's say you have selected 4. So now you have 1, 2, 5, 6, 4 option. And let's say you have selected 1 now here. So now you have 2, 5, 6, 3 option. So your answer will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Got it? Clear? Okay. Now I'll move to another one. If the digits given to us are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4-digit number we are forming again. 4-digit number. First case, repetition allowed. Second case, repetition not allowed. No, Sagar. 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is also there. Can 0 come at first place here? Yes or no? No. So for this place, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. So 6, right, Dipesh. For this one, 0 can come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Sagar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely right, Surjo. If you select 0 here, it means that it will be 3-digit number, but we need 4-digit number. So 0 cannot come here. Other 6 digits can come. Here on second place, 0 can come. I hope you are understanding, Javed. So that's why it is, we have 7 options. Here also we have 7 options. Here also we have 7 options. Did you understand, people? 6 into 7 into 7 into 7. 3 times 7. Is that clear? Okay, is that clear to everyone? Jennifer, Sandali is there, but she is in a silent mode. Raj is in silent mode. I hope people you are understanding. What happened, Aditya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 cannot come here. Right, Sagar? 0 can come on the second place, can come on third place, can come on fourth place also. That's why 7 into 7 into 7. That's it. Okay. Don't use NCR and NPR for this type of question. I'll suggest, because there are like another high level question. So that's why. Fine. So no problem, Aditya. You haven't missed much. So repetition not allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition not allowed. So can 0 come here? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this place has 6 options. But out of these 6, I have to select 1. So let's say I have selected this. So now 0 can come. Zero can come, 1 can come, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You still have 6 options. Now let's say you selected 0. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 5 option. And then let's say you have selected 6. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 5. 4 option. Look at this. Look at this with in our आराम से. What do you mean by आराम से? Look at it. Try and understand. Like, look at it relaxedly and try to understand. Aditya, it will not be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 because 0 cannot come at first place. That's why it has only 6 options. Is that clear, people? Is that clear? No problem. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? What is not clear? Memory. Simple. 0 cannot come here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 option. So I've chosen 6. Now let's say if I've selected 4. So now 0 can come on second place also. That's what I'm saying. 0 can come on second place. As 0 was also given here. This is different question than compared to the previous one. So as 0 is also given, so 0 can come on second place. That's why we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 option again. 0 cannot come here. 0 is impossible. But 0 can come here. Are you understanding? Zero can come on second place. If I write 0, 1, it's 1-digit number. But if I write 1, 0, it's 2-digit number. All right. Fine. I hope it's clear, memory. Okay. Fine. What would be the answer for this one? When they're saying 4-digit number, it means that repetition is allowed. Aditya, again, you are repeating your bad. Okay. 9 into 10 into 10 into 5. Right. So that are divisible by 2. How many numbers, what is the condition for divisible by 2? A number should end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So for this place, how many options you have? For this place, you have 5 options. All of you understood? Yes or no? Right? Now, 0 cannot come here, but other than that, any other number can come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any number can come. 0 can come on second place, 0 can come on second place. As the repetition is allowed, that's why. So now you will have how many option? 10 option. So you have 10 option. Here also you have 10 options. So 9 into 10 into 10 into 5, your answer is 4500. 36. Your bad was you have taken 10 here, Aditya, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Oh, no, Aditya, then correct. Sorry, Aditya, your answer is correct. 10 into 10 into 9 into 5. I went according to my order. 10 into 10 into 9 into 5. Fine, Aditya. I'm sorry. That was my bad only. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear, people? Yes, Sivani, that's the correct answer. Jui Paul, I hope it's clear. Anupa, I hope it's clear if you are there. Okay, Jennifer, reply to me if it's clear so far. Srijita, I want to see reply from everyone. Robert, I hope, Robert, you are understanding now. Okay, let's solve this one also. Then tomorrow only we'll start probability. Tomorrow we will be doing mock analysis. If mock analysis get over, then we will start probability. $20. Okay, Rahul. This was your first answer, Rahul. Five into 4 into 1. Okay, so 3-digit number. What is divisibility rule of 5? A number must end with what? 5 or 0, but 0 is not given in the selected digits. So we don't have to consider 0 from our side. So let it be. So it must end with 5. So how many 5s can be? Only 1 5. So this can be selected in one way. Now repetition, none of the digit is repeated. So repetition is not allowed. 5 already got selected here. So you have 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. So 5 option. Let's say you have selected 3. So you have 2, 6, 7, 9. You have 4 option. So your answer is 5 into 4 into 1. Yes. 4 into 5 into 1 or 5 into 4 into 1. I hope that's clear. How many of you are finding Tare Zameen Par? Tare Zameen Par equals to not clear. Not understanding anything. Whatever you are writing, we are thinking it is something like this, some language which we don't understand. Something like this. Huh? How many of you are finding it like this? Like Chinese? This I'm writing another language, which even I don't know, but few words I know. I've also forgot. International handwriting, yes. Anyone found this, whatever we have discussed like this? No, right? That whatever I'm writing, you're not understanding anything which you're not understood so far. Anybody? Somebody? Nobody? Okay, so fine, people. This is done. This is done. This is done. This you can do. This we have done. All right. Okay. Fine. This is one more question I want to explain to you before we move for any other thing. So, what is circular arrangement? Nobody replied to me, but I hope you are understanding. If you are not understanding, please go through the video. Though I tried my best, but generally this topic is the simplest of all. Don't you think so? Does anybody thinks the same way I'm thinking? Yeah, it's simple. You just have to think very logically, very practically. That's it. You just have to make the cases and just do it. Don't think that you are solving question. And moreover, I feel like this is one topic where you will find application in every day. So like if I have to select what should I wear today, I have 7 pairs of dresses, 7 dresses, then I can choose it in 7 ways, 7C1. Now if I am going out in evening, then I have to select 2 dresses, so 7C2, isn't it? Yeah. So circular arrangement, in circular arrangement we fix one person. So if there are n, we fix one, so the remaining is what? N minus 1. So the these people can be arranged in n minus 1 factorial. So like 5 people around the circular table. Out of 5, we fix 1 person. Now remaining 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Why we fix 1 person? Because we need one reference point. We need one reference point. That's why we fix 1 person. And hence your answer is n minus 1 factorial for circular arrangement. Okay, so let's solve one last question. Yeah, all right, go for it. Onwe Ebuka, what's your problem, Onwe? It's already been mentioned so many times. Today, there is one person who has not done the ritual. Bina, you did not do any ritual today of sending meeting ID and password on YouTube. So in how many ways can 5 people be arranged in a round table such that no one told you? No one told me. Okay, no one told you. Okay. In how many, but daily you do it by yourself only. In how many ways can 5 people be arranged in a round table such that 2 particular people never sit together? So 2 particular people never sit together. You remember this question we have solved, right? In the terms of 10 boys, that 2 boys never sit together. So in a similar way, we will go with this. So in how many ways can 5 people be arranged in a round table? So first of all, no condition, 5 factorial. 5 people can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial. Now they're saying that 2 particular people never sit together. So we will make them sit together first. So if these 2 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if these 2 people are sitting together, I'll consider. So now how many people I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 4 people can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. So total minus when they are together. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. What would be your answer? Yeah. Into 2 factorial, because these 2 people can be arranged in 2 factorial ways, right? So 4 factorial minus 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 24 minus 12. 12 is the answer. Right. 12 is the answer. Okay. I hope it's clear to everyone. Similar to the question for which you have answered 10 factorial minus 9 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So here also it is same. 5 people, total ways they can be arranged is 4 factorial. If 2 people always sit together, so these 2 people will be considered as 1 unit. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people can around the circular table can be arranged in 3 factorial, and these 2 people can be arranged as 2 factorial. So just subtract it from the total. Fine. I hope that's clear, people. Yes or no? Okay. Got it. All right. So we are done with probability. No, sorry. Permutation and combination. Fine. This question, leave it. I'll send it to you people if you want to solve. This question also, if you want to solve. And other questions we have already solved. And some more question which is not a part of this slide I have discussed here, right? Collinear point, this point, that point. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Yes or no? What about yesterday's 14 number question? Yeah, Aditya, I remember that. 1/4. Do you want me to take it now? Or we'll do it in next class? I was about to end it here. I was about to add it here. Okay. So tomorrow I'll add it in the next slide. Sorry, I will add it in the slide which we are gonna do day after tomorrow. Not day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow is your verbal class. On Saturday, when we will meet next, I'll add that question. Fine. or else let's do it right away. It will just take 2 minutes. Let's finish it off, people. Keep 1 minute. I'm not ending the class right now. Let's do that part, and then so that I can share the PPT also with you people. Okay, 1 minute. So I'll share the. Okay, you can see the screen, right? Let's finish it off. Question number 14. No, not this one. This was the question, right? No, Binay, time is different for crash course time. Yes, Ibrahim. As of now, till second week, the classes starting from, the classes are from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Okay. Sivani, are you there in that WhatsApp group? Reply to me, yes or no. Or are you there on Telegram group? Okay, 1/8 of a pole is dipped in a mud, half of the rest is in water, and 5 meters is above water. What is the length of a pole? So let's assume that length of pole is what? Okay, would you like to give a try? Try. If you want to give a try, try. All right, so if you are there on WhatsApp group, SII WhatsApp group, ping me separately, okay? This question we had not done, Binay. That's why we are doing it today. Okay, na. Thank you, Binay, for your great effort on YouTube. So what's the answer for this one? Again, I'm not sure whether the answer will be there or not. Okay, so 1/8 of a pole is dipped in a mud, half of the rest is in water, and 5 meters is above water. So there is one pole, 1/8 is in mud, right? Mud. All right, Rahul, I was also thinking. This part is in water, and then this part is above water. So above water is 5 meters. So let's say that the entire length of pole is X meter. All right. So if entire length is X meter, so this part will be X by 8. Eight x is equal to 5 into 3.5. I don't know what method are you using, Vinay. What method I'm using? Let's see whether our answer matches. You tell me this method. X by 8. Now the remaining part, 1/8 of a pole is dipped in a mud, half of the rest is in water. Half of the rest means what? Or else let's do one thing that would be more easy. Can assume that the entire pole is 8x. So 1/8 will be x part, and this is 5 meter. So can I say this is 8x minus x, 7x, and this part will be 7x minus 5. right? So the answer will be x plus 7x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 8x. We are getting it right in this way. So now let's see what they are saying. 1/8 of a pole is dipped in a mud. So this part is dipped in a mud, and half of the rest is in water, and 5 meter is above water. So 5 meter is above water. Right? And 7 by 16 of x is in water. I think something needs to be equate by 5. I think something has to be something has to be 5 here. So x plus 5 meter is equal to 7 by x is equal to what? Is equal to 8x. Let's try this one. 1 minute, let's see. 16x plus 7x is 33. 16 plus 7 is 23. Not this one, people. Somewhere the, okay, let me make a simple one. We'll go with this one only. 1/8 of a pole is dipped in a water. 1/8 of pole is dipped in a water. Half of the rest. So the rest is 7p by 8. And half of the rest is in water. So p by 8 plus 7p by 16 plus 5 meter is nothing but the pole length, and the pole length is p. Solve this part. Will you get something? 16 into 2, this is 2p plus 7p plus 16 into 5, 80 is equal to 16p. 80 is equal to 7 plus 2, 11, 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7p. So somebody was saying this, right? 80 by 7. Yeah, Aditya. Correct. So 80 by 7 is 11 point something. Again, we are not getting the answer. 11.42. 7 by 16 of x is equal to 5. Approximately 12. 1 minute. What is Rahul saying? 7 by 16 of x is equal to 5. Still, your answer is same, Rahul, isn't it? 80 by 7. What you are saying is also right, because this is half and the remaining is another half. 7p by 16, another part is 7p by 16. So you are equating this part equal to 5, which is one and the same. Yeah. Options are all wrong. Fine. I'll see again this one. Okay. All right. Fine. Those who don't have, again, people who had not joined any Telegram channel or some other channel. When I had solved this, Binay, I don't remember. In previous year I had solved. Okay. So anyone who doesn't have Telegram channel or WhatsApp group, something, Nakavanda, Jacqueline, even you don't have, I'm doubtful. So you can send me an email on this, doubts, doubts for Sonal @gmail.com. Okay. All right. Send me an email on this. I will forward the link to you. All right. Okay. Fine, people. So that's it. DOUBTS number 4 SONAL @gmail.com. Okay. All right. So what was the answer, Binay, last year? What was the answer? I don't remember. But if you remember, what was the answer? Something like this only? Or some different answer? You were saying something into 3.5. 8x is equal to 5 into 3.5. 35 into 3.5. 35 into 5 is 175, right? 185. 5 by 25 to 175. 175 by 8. Answer is bad again. 175 by 8. Okay. So where is the chat? Surja will explain 12 approximately. Okay. All right, we'll see. I'll just check this question again because again the answer is incorrect or what, because I think the method is correct. Fine. Who was that to who it is not clear? Not getting. Somebody wrote that because we're supposed to find the total length. Still the answer is same. All right, fine people. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be analyzing the mock test. Okay, fine. Take care, Mercy. You too. 8, 3.5 into 5. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'll get back to you on this question. Fine. All right, people. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.